welcome to the next episode of Cemetery Strolls. We'll just start down this way. There's a couple of Commonwealth war graves, but I'm going to try and avoid the section over there on the Tilda on the way back. That's like the new section, so I don't really want to go there. But we have our first. It is 519238 Sapper, E.F. Watson, Royal Engineers, 1st of September 1919. Thank you for your service, sir. And we also have another one down here. Looks like someone's left a bottle for them. That is 6205 Private G. Phillips, Suffolk Regiment. 4th of January 1920, age 35. So even though the war was over by the date, people still were dying because they were still fighting for land at the time until the agreements were actually signed. That's why you see them. And also, some have actually died of injuries received during the wars. I thought I'd come over here first because we've got another couple. I've just seen another one pop up behind the tree. Let me go over the other side, excuse me. Right. We have got 330519 Rifleman W.C. Quantrill, 8th Battalion, Hampshire Regiment, 21st of October 1919, age 21. It's a new badge. I've not seen that one. Thank you for your service, sir. And we've got this one in the corner. We've got another 10741 Rifleman H. Quantrill, King's Royal Rifle Corps, 1st of February 1915, aged 18. Also his mother, Ada Matilda Quantrill, 12th of August 1953, aged 84. Thank you for your service, sir, and rest in peace, you both. Beautiful winter afternoon, sun is shining, possibly for the only day of the week this week. So I've had to grab the chance to get out and see what we can do. I had to come in the back gate because the front gate's got the stonemasons there at the moment doing their work, doing a fantastic job by the looks of it too. A lovely little island. Just walk around. Not sure what the night on there's for. This is April the 7th, 1903. There's a lot on the lean, unfortunately. But that's what you expect at this, how old a lot of these are. This one's sunk. Can't read them, they're unreadable. On memory of John Kenneth Alderslade, who passed to rest on Sunday the 13th of July 1924, aged 81. Also of Jane Maria Jenny, his wife, who fell asleep Sunday, May the 11th. 1924, aged 79 years. Been laid down. Jacob Scott, 18th of April 1889, aged 61. Can't read anything else. There's one here also. Jane, his widow, who passed away September the 6th, 1914, aged 74. Then let's look at this. Can't really see. Might pick it up on the camera, but that's 11th of July 1874, aged 55. I think that's Samuel Dyer. And Mary Dyer, wife of Samuel Dyer, 1906. Someone's, I don't know, there's no writing on this, I can't see nothing, but it's, people are still visiting, putting Christmas decorations up. I literally can't see anything. There's a bit of light there. No. Hannah, widow, died 12th. I can't see that. No, sorry. Here we have, in loving memory of Edgar Chatfield Clark, Knight Bachelor, DL, JP, Justice of the Peace, CC, Member of Parliament, Isle of Wight, 1922 to 1923. Born February the 17th, 1863. Died April the 6th, 1925. Unfortunately, there's no pictures that I could find He was an English Liberal Party politician, was a son of Thomas Chatfield Clarke, who was a Fellow of both the Royal Institute of British Architects and the Royal Institute of Chartered Surveyors, and his wife Ellen Nee Nettlefold from Birmingham. Thomas Chatfield Clarke was a Liberal candidate from Poole in Dorset, and later for Hammersmith, which he contested unsuccessfully at the 1885 general election. He was also a member of London School Board and was closely connected to liberal political causes such as the Society for the Liberation of Religion from State Patronage and Control, and franchise reform. With the Unitarians, as was his wife's family, and built the 1886 headquarters for the denomination on the site of the original Essex Street Chapel. He was educated at King's College School and privately in Dresden in Germany, state of Saxony. He also served as Justice of the Peace, member of the Isle of Wight Education Committee, and as a member of the Isle of Wight Advisory Committee, re the appointment of magistrates. He stood for Parliament on one occasion only at 1922 general election in the Isle of Wight constituency. In loving memory of Edward Morris, JP, who died May the 30th, 1922, aged 74, and his wife Florence Jane, who died September 16th, 1949, aged 81. Life, works, well done. Now come rest. And we have the sign of the Freemasons. This is different, so obviously it still has visitors. Lovely book. Another memory of my dear husband, Charles William Slade, who died April the 27th, 1950, aged 59. Also his beloved wife, Ada May, who died 9th of April, 1968, aged 79. Rest in peace. It's a lovely stone. died April the 29th, 1917, aged 33. Reverend James Shearman, for 50 years, Wesleyan minister, who passed peacefully away December the 18th, 1910, aged 74. Also, Eliza Sherman, beloved wife of the above, who passed away peacefully August the 29th, 1914, aged 79. Can't see nothing on there, but it is beautiful. Loving memory of Charles Cooper, who fell asleep in Jesus, March the 12th, 1900, age 79. Also Charlotte, his beloved wife, who fell asleep February the 6th, 1905, aged 83. Frederick William, eldest son of Alfred and Fanny Cook, who fell asleep September the 10th, 1913, aged 37. Also, their youngest son, Charles George Cook, died at Summer Cove, Canada, August the 23rd, 1935, aged 40 years. We have another fallen 1292 Rifleman E.W. Belcher, 8th Battalion, Hampshire Regiment, 17th of October 1914, aged 37. Thank you for your service, sir. This must be a big family grave because the plot's all the way up there. 7-year-old. 1869. So it literally starts here. Up to there. All neatly laid out. With the bars. In loving memory of Harriet Treaser Loosemore. April the 9th, 1886, age 78. This looks like her husband, Henry Loosemore, who died March the 3rd, 1868. Age 58. So yeah, so I think I said 1886. Nothing I can read on there, but that is gorgeous. Along with this one. Oh wow. Who doesn't love a Celtic cross? Yet again, another one of those beautiful, looks like wooden, well it's concrete obviously or marble, but it's like with the ivy, wooden effect. Loving memory, in memory of Catherine Mary, the beloved wife of Francis Pittis, who died suddenly at St Thomas's Church, Newport, Fairlee, April the 7th, 1913, age 71. And the Pittises were a big family, still are. Citizen property, and in loving memory of Jane, daughter of Sir Francis Pittis, died September the 30th, 1931, aged 90. If you remember, the Pittises were also, some were buried in Arreton when we went there. It's the back of those two. Plonking you can hear, or the stonemasons were redoing the main entrance, so I had to come in the other side. Affectionate remembrance of William Osbourne Brooke. He died aged 72. either shrunk or you can't read, or it's probably come off this post. Sacred memory of Henry Waterworth, JP. He died October the 6th, 1886, age 78. It's a basic one there, MNJ, 1862. Part of the entrance, but from the inside. The old Victorian building there with the tower. Oh, that was lovely. I've just been talking away to the stonemasons, Andy and Dave from White Stonemasonry. They're just doing the arch. I'm going to get in contact with them and we're going to have an interview. That's stonemasonry. I mean, I'd like to know more, obviously, due to my ancestors in Wales. And I'm sure you guys would all be fascinated as well. And they've worked on some fantastic buildings, including Tale, which we see this weekend. A lot of names on there, but fading near at the bottom. The bell on there as well. It's lovely to come up and see people leaving mementos still, ancestors coming back and remembering. Like I say, I can't see how old some of these are because they're really old. Different. Some can't get to there without walking over everything else. We have someone on here who's obviously had a short life with the short column. In loving memory of John Edgar Beckinsale, FRCS, JP, Justice of the Peace, born April 18th, 1810, and died August 10th, 1885. We have some more at the back. An affectionate memory of Daniel Loftus Beckinsale, MD, CM, son of the late John Edgar and Francis Beckinsale, born 18th of November 1846 and died February 8th, 1929. Be careful, it's slippery. His banner over me was love, in loving memory of Mary Edgar Beckinsale, daughter of the late John Edgar and Francis Beckinsale, died June 6th, 1912, aged 62. And this is Francis. In loving memory of Frances, widow of the late John Edgar Beckinsdale, died December the 20th, 1896, aged 87. I'm writing on the circle, but I can't see it on the actual cross circle. And that's Watts, that's all I can see. In honour of Thomas Lee, who died the 7th of January 1921, aged 78, the first editor of the Isle of Wight County Press, and until his laminated death, a highly valued contributor to the column under the pen name of Stylus. This memorial has been erected by friends from colleagues throughout the island as lasting testimony to his long and distinguished service. Journalist. Wow. So that there is the first editor of the Isle of Wight County Press, which is still going, obviously. It's our main paper on the island, the local gossip. Another memory of Eliza, the widow of David Dingwell, by December 20th, 1904, aged 90. Also, another memory of Ellen, widow of Rufus George Hearn, who died June the 22nd, 1924, aged 90. Muriel Irene died December the 10th, 1890, aged 19 days. Also, Harold Stanley died August 21st, 1891, aged 36 hours. And of Ralph, died November the 16th, 1892, aged 15 hours. Beloved children of Henrietta Tilling. I can't get her husband's name, unfortunately, sorry. Our little children. Rest in peace, babies. Rest in peace. You see that Rebecca Neal, looks like Pegler, 5th of August. Can't really, hopefully it'll come up for you guys. Got a lovely little cross there, Celtic. I'm gonna have to go in. I don't really see it. It's a shame you can't read that. That looks absolutely lovely. The work on the top. Some of the posts have been knocked down, unfortunately. Leader, Garber Lodge, in the Isle of Wight district, Manchester University Oddfellows, and recognition of over 50 years of faithful service to the Society. Love and memory of George Henry Locke, PPGM, died April 16th, 1912, aged 73. And this is the new section. I won't stop in here, I'll just walk through, because it's got a lovely backdrop as well. Well, that is it for another episode of Cemetery Strolls. Hope you enjoyed it. There's no church today, obviously, as it's a cemetery, but got to meet a couple of stonemasons, Alan and Dave, and thank them for their chat. It was appreciated. But I'll see you next episode, guys. Don't forget, like, leave a comment, share, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and remember, subscription is free. Okay, So I appreciate your support to the channel, and I'll see you soon. Thank you much, Lee.